CAD, computer-aided design, software is revolutionizing the way mechanical systems are designed and developed. It offers a wide array of advantages that significantly boost both productivity and creativity in engineering. For example, imagine the time-consuming process of manually drafting a complex mechanical component. CAD software automates tasks such as drafting, dimensioning, calculations, and documentation. This automation frees up engineers to focus more on refining and optimizing their designs, rather than getting bogged down in repetitive tasks. One of the key strengths of CAD software is its ability to enhance design quality and accuracy. Traditional methods often involve manual measurements and hand-drawn sketches, which can lead to errors and inconsistencies. CAD software, on the other hand, provides precision tools that allow for exact measurements and detailed designs. CAD software also offers unparalleled flexibility, empowering engineers to explore a wide range of design alternatives. With advanced features like parametric modeling, generative design, and reverse engineering, engineers can quickly iterate on designs, optimizing them for performance, cost, or material efficiency. Another major advantage of CAD software is its ability to create realistic mood models, which provide a clear visualization of the final product long before it is physically manufactured. This capability is particularly valuable in industries like construction and industrial design, where visualizing a complete system or product in Mood helps in identifying potential issues early on. Collaboration is another area where CAD software excels. It allows multiple stakeholders, from designers and engineers to clients and manufacturers, to work together seamlessly. CAD software supports the exchange of information using common formats and standards, ensuring that everyone involved in the project is on the same page. Ultimately, CAD software is an indispensable tool in modern engineering and design. It not only boosts efficiency by automating routine tasks, but also enhances creativity by providing powerful tools for innovation. By streamlining the entire design process, from initial concept to final production, CAD software leads to more innovative, reliable, and cost-effective mechanical systems. Whether it's designing the next generation of electric vehicles, creating energy-efficient building systems, or developing cutting-edge consumer products, CAD software plays a crucial role in turning ideas into reality.